This is my second chance. This is no song and dance. You came in and renewed a right spirit. This is grace at its best. This is taking a restless, messed up heart and having you clear it. I can feel the weight is lifting. I'm barely staying on the ground, and I can feel the weight is over. Finally the lost is found. So this is what it feels like to live life. So this is breathing air for the very first time.